Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the visual language in Excel. Before we get started, forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Different reason might make you want to change the language in Excel. You might need Excel to be in a familiar language for you, allow you to do your work. For a training demonstration session, you may need to change the Excel language to fit another person's preference. Also, sometimes changing the Excel language to English or another language may enable some feature that can be available for the English version only at the moment. So, how to do it if you want to change the language display on your Excel? It's very simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to open the Excel. As you can see in here, it's using English. Now, if you want to change the language, you can go to File, can choose on Options, click on Options in here, click on Language, and you'll find there is a Office display language. If you want to change to another language, I have two language in here, English and Indonesian or Bahasa. If you want to change it to Indonesian or Bahasa, you can just choose on the language and move it up. Or if you want to add another language, you can add a language and you can choose on the language that you want to use. Maybe Arabic or Chinese, and you can just install it. Now, after that, so I will just change to Indonesian. You have move it up. Now you can also change the obvious authoring languages and proving in here. Now click on OK. Okay, so all we need to do is to reopen the X Office, and let's see. So now, as you can see in here, your Excel workbook, the language now using is Bahasa Indonesian, and if you want to change it to English, you can choose an option and do the same thing like before. You can just move it up, and click on OK. You can reopen the Office. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change display language on Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.